there's 2 easy steps we can do to make your squeaky office chair quiet again. Now, it's the same method you use on a door hatch to make a squeaky door quiet. All we'll need is some type of oil for lubricant. You can use WD-40, but I prefer what I use for my electric clippers because it has a nice smell and it seems more hygienic. And besides that, we just need the tool, so either an Allen wrench or a screwdriver or whatever you use for your chair to tighten up the bolts or the screws. We have to make sure every single screw or bolt is tight. After that, we have to make sure we spray down every single screw or bolt. If you still have a squeak after doing this, you may have missed the spot with the lubricant. But alright, that's all it is to it. If you're interested in informational videos around everyday products and tech, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.